Hi friends! Today we'll visit a very special place, the Food Manners School, where all the food learns how to be healthy and kind. In this story, you'll practice 3 very useful words in English, which are called the modal verbs. The first modal verb is should, for good advice. The second modal verb is must, for rules and important things. And the third modal verb is could, for fun ideas and possibilities. Every time you see this symbol, repeat the sentence out loud. Let's go! It's Monday morning. A new group of foods arrives at the school. They are ready to learn. Welcome everyone. Let's learn how to be better foods, says the teacher cheese. We must stay fresh, exclaimed the avocado. We should help each other, shared the cherry. We could have breakfast together every day, added the cereal. Suddenly the pomegranate walks in, with chocolate on his hands and a candy in his mouth. Hi, I'm sweet and cool, added the pomegranate. You must wash your hands before class, asked the teacher cheese. You shouldn't eat candy in class, recommended the mushroom. You could try a salad instead, added the cucumber. It's time to line up, but oh no, fish and butter are arguing. Hey, you pushed me, yelled the fish. You must be patient, said the butter. And don't forget to apologize. You should say sorry, added the spinach. You could shake hands and be friends, the very friendly chocolate said. Lunch is ready, but something smells weird. Oh, this bread is old. You must never give stale bread to your friends, said the teacher cheese. That's true. And don't forget that we should eat fresh vegetables every day, added the meat. Yes! We could cook more and freeze leftovers for tomorrow, exclaimed the rice. The foods have learned how to be kind, clean and creative. The teacher is proud. Teacher cheese. Great job today, everyone. You must be clean. You should be kind. And you could be amazing friends. Now it's your turn. Take our book and practice these sentences. You can get in on Amazon. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and see you next time in Food Town.
Bienvenidos a Funny Friends School, el primer método de inglés público para niños. Si quieres que tus alumnos o tus hijos aprendan más rápido y mejor, solo tienes que seguir nuestro método. Ver 4 vídeos a la semana de 1 a 2 veces, para que integren de manera natural el vocabulario y la gramática. Todo está adaptado por etapas y siguen currículums oficiales, haciéndolo muy compatible con todos los programas escolares. Aquí vas a encontrar vídeos creativos para aprender vocabulario de forma algorítmica y súper divertida. Historias interactivas para practicar la producción y leer en voz alta. Y por último, la gramática, explicada de una forma muy divertida. Los niños que ven nuestros vídeos aprenden a hablar y a leer de forma más intuitiva y rápida. ¿Cómo puedes hacerlo? Visita nuestra web. Ahí lo verás todo por niveles, por unidades y por semanas. Muy fácil de seguir. Entra en nuestra comunidad gratis para recibir atención personalizado. Solo tienes que rellenar el formulario que dejamos aquí abajo. Consigue nuestros cuadernos, nuestros libros, tanto en la escuela como en casa, para cerrar el ciclo y practicar un poquito más. Y por último, te puedes inscribir en nuestros cursos online que abrimos 4 veces al año para niños de entre 6 a 12 años. Suscríbete al canal y asegura que los peques aprenden el inglés de la mejor manera que puedes.